This is a quick tutorial on how to find the best fit line of a scatter plot using the Desmos calculator. It's also called linear regression. I have the table of the ordered pairs we're going to use, and it's just a generic table I made just with X and Y values. I didn't label them or make anything fancy. If you want to pause the video now and write those down, it might not be a bad idea, so you can follow along and type those in. We're also going to estimate when X is equal to 50, so we'll do that once we get done graphing this. So once you're done writing that down, first off, we are going to go to Desmos, and the first thing we can do, this is the easiest way to do it, up at the top where it says untitled graph, if you go right beside that where there's these three lines, if you hit that, we want to scroll down to where it says statistics linear regression. So statistics linear regression is right here. Click that and then click open graph. Then it pulls up a table, and it pulls up a slope intercept form for your best fit line. So your slope is over here. Let me scroll down a little bit. Slope is over here, y-intercept is here, but this is not the data that we have. That's different. That's just a generic graph that pops up when you click that. Also, this first thing is kind of in the way. If you want to cancel that out, I do because I think it's annoying, but you don't have to. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put in our data points. So we're going to type this out. We have 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Then the other side we have 38, 32, 40, 50, 48, 60, and 70. And that should be your X and Y values of this table here. So the X values and the Y values. Once you're done with that, that automatically then updates this down here. So your slope is right here, your y-intercept is here. So when you put that in your equation, that would literally just be nothing fancy. Whoops. Y is equal to your slope. I always round to 2 decimal places, plus your y-intercept is 31.14. Again, I round to 2 decimal places, so that's my best fit line. Then the only other thing you have to do when it says estimate when X is equal to 50, that just means plug this 50 into this X right here and then solve. So you can also do that in Desmos. So you can use your handheld calculator, but you can also go to Desmos, just click down here. We have 1.14, and then I'd use parentheses. You could use the multiplication. That's times 50. Plus 31.14. That pops up with your answer right here, 88.14. So that's all you have to do. That's not too bad. I would suggest practicing some of these on your own or redoing this one on your own. And if you can't figure it out, make sure you rewatch this, but this is going to be on the test, so make sure if you have any questions, you are asking those. Make sure you're figuring out how to do this on your own without any notes and without any help. Thanks a lot.